Haha, you dropped some! I knew it!
I'm so tired. I really can't take it anymore.
Now you're starting to drop them all. You've lost the game, boy!
Oh no, what's gonna happen to me?
Now you're going to be punished!
Let go! Let go of me, you pig! Let go!
You should have completed my task like you were told instead of dropping my favorite meat chips.
All right, you guys, let's split up. We gotta save him right now. I'm gonna go with Savik.
Well, you and me out together then.
Help me! Ooh, ooh, ooh.
This is to stop you making noise. That was a strange sound. Stay here. I'm going to go check it out.